Okay, I'm going to show you how I make me dinosaur, because so many of you were interested. Yeah, I got the mould, and it's very detailed and 3D, so everything is easy to fill in. And then I get my Chameleon Flakes. This one's purple, golden and yellow, and then this one green, purple to red. So they're all different colours in each one. What's this one? Yellow, green and blue. So they've all got 3 colours in them. And they're so easy. This one, this is a tricky one, iridescent, but I might use some first. It comes out blue. Oh, you still can't see it, you just see the iridescence of it all. I'll start with this one. It can be pretty rough. Okay, so I'll worry more about the outside when I get closer to the end. Now, one of my main colours, and all you have to do with the Chameleon Flakes is just smash them into it, into the silicone. They'll just stick. Now I'm doing these colours different to the other one, because I don't like everything the same. Just throw some flakes in. And one lot of flakes don't take over another. So if you end up putting them where you've already put some, it doesn't matter. That main colour will still be the first colour. Okay, we'll go back to this. I like to change it up. Those teeth come out a lot sharper than what I realised. I knew they were 3D, but I didn't realise they were so sharp. But I can glass them over and soften them, the edges, if I have to. Now, what's one I haven't used? Try some green. So to change his colours up. Most kids love colours. Yep. Keep going back to this one, it's one of my favourites. You've really got to wedge it in those deeper holes. And whatever I have flying away on the edge to my cracked wall, doesn't matter. More colours, it really sort of just adds more detail. So at the end you'll just turn it upside down and tap off all the loose stuff you haven't used. But remember, at the end I fill it all in with black resin, and the black is actually what makes it pop. Change up some colour for the claws. Really thick edges too, so if you happen to buy a mould, make sure you cover the edges, or the claw won't look like a real claw. I'm sorry, but you'll have to excuse Home and Away on in the background. And that claw is going to be a bit different colour, but shouldn't actually matter. Now I'm going to tap off the excess, then I'll show you what else I do. Because I want, when I put the black in, I want those cracks in the mould. That's if you can see the cracks. Give the camera time to focus. All these cracks, I want them black. So, whatever I put on them, actually I might fill it in first. And then I'll use the tape to take off all of this. Another colour I've introduced, I don't even know what this colour is. This one is not a chameleon though. It's a metallic, but it's not a chameleon. So I might make this side chameleon. Okay, it's time to take whack the excess off so that it's ready to pour my black. Just want to get to the cracks. Now, the tricky part is I do want the sides to have colour on them. Not completely. Another chameleon, but there's no colour tag on this one, so I don't actually know what it is. I just love the effect it gives. Okay, now I'm ready to pour the resin. All the flyaway Chameleon Flakes. Okay, yep, that'll do. I'll stop being fussy. And you don't have to even be neat about it. See, I've still got a lot of mess here, but the black will actually make it look like it's got a purpose for being there. They're pretty cool, because you've all seen how they turn out. Pretty cool, even with these are such big claws, like huge, not as big as my finger. That's cool.
It says here that Eddie is playing Broken Hill this weekend, which means Justin and Sonny would be there. Is that a problem? Yes, it's a problem. It means that Justin has outright lied to me.
Takes a bit to get the black moving. But these Chameleon Flakes only work properly and vibrantly with black backing. So I've tried the white and oh god, that did not come out. It was all just, yeah, didn't even really show the chameleon. Yeah, no, you just don't see the effect. It's only black you can put in. So, I reckon I've got that about right. Now I fill this mould. And tomorrow it is ready to find its new little boy.